In this video, I will show you how to edit Canva elements. Let's say I don't like my hair. First, you have to find out if the element is created in vector graphics. For these types of elements, you can choose a color. Now just download the element in SVG format with a transparent background. Open the downloaded element in Krita. Select Shapes tool. Click on what you want to delete and press Delete. Now go to Layer, Import, Export, and save Vector Layer as SVG. Now you can easily upload the edited element to Canva. It may happen that an error occurs during uploading. If this happens, follow these recommendations.